Unity FM 97.7. Everybody
polite
and nice. Yeah. So why I say Blackstone.
And what are you telling our fans tonight?
It's our fans who listen to Radio Unity FM. I'm telling you, everybody who listen to the radio, you're sitting on your bed or you're sitting on your seat, right in your bedroom, right on your sitting room. I'm telling you, Robin, that is Lil Sky Yaga Yo. The guy who sang the song called Rap Daddy. And Pio Mata Reggae Dushu, the song called Where the Kana Jokone Jolonigo. Iguli, there's a song called Iguli. Koaber me amara pi uli. Utunitano tiko chako balo wi uli. Why I say?
We have Omano and no Emo. So, wasting no time.
Yeah.
We started this way. Let us introduce Emo on stage.
Yeah, so ladies and gentlemen, this is Unity FM. What we're gonna do is like this, ladies and gentlemen. So the first artist that is on stage will be
Emo.
Yes, okay, yeah. That is the guy called Emo.
I also tell you yina me manushi na manu Facebook. You go straight money Kennedy Bobie Entertainment manu Facebook page.
Twitter, Facebook.
Eka manu kaimi the following manu is YouTube manu domo moyo Kennedy Bobie Entertainment. Manu YouTube channel.
Yes,
eka camera wa manu take the Ultimate Media,
man. Video chill. So, ladies and gentlemen, the first artist right on stage, that is Unity FM. My name is MC Blessing Signal. I'm telling you, it's Emo right on stage, ladies and gentlemen. Get it right here. Here we go.
I wanna be in your heart like you've been in my heart. To find a good place to be right inside my heart. I wanna be in your heart like you've been in my heart. Yeah. Done with it, giving it away this time. I'm not letting it boil inside of me tonight. So people look at me, trying to love you, but we all know that it sounds too plain to say. You found a good place to be right inside my heart. I wanna be in your heart like you've been in my heart. You found a good place to be right inside my heart. I wanna be in your heart like you've been in my heart. Yeah. I've been on my own for long enough. I don't wanna live this life no more. Deep in my heart I know I love you. I don't wanna let this go. I wanna tell you now cause I want to. So baby come go with me. Yeah. Gwaktunya gwakuchunyi. Gwaktunya gwakuchunyi. Yeah. Bedkera bedukeji. Bedkera bedukeji. Ooh, yeah. A good place to be right inside my heart. I wanna be in your heart like you've been in my heart. To find a good place to be right inside my heart. I wanna be in your heart like you've been in my heart. Yeah. Done with it, giving it away this time. I'm not letting it boil inside of me tonight. So people look at me, trying to love you, but we all know that it sounds too plain to say. You found a good place to be right inside my heart. I wanna be in your heart like you've been in my heart. You found a good place to be right inside my heart. I wanna be in your heart like you've been in my heart. Yeah. Hey Mo. Yeah.
Hey Mo. Yeah.
Yes. DJ Blackstone.
Yo.
Bless.
Oh.
I'm great to have you all in this building.
Thanks a lot, Emo.
Yes, sing it now. Kennedy Bobie Entertainment, DJ Blackstone, and what?
Yeah.
Everybody,
And your Gang TV, a Big Jam Records, Lil Sky Yaga, for Christ. You're too young to be my lover, to be my lover, too young to my heart, to my heart, to be my lover, to be my lover, to be my lover, to my heart. First of all, you're an innocent girl. I'm a criminal boy and the sexiest boy. Secondly, I'm a crazy boy. You're a Hamburg girl and a schooling girl. Thirdly, you're a mommy's girl. I'm a no man's son and a very good boy. Fourthly, I'm a father of one. You don't even have one, so we can never mind. Too young to be my lover, to be my lover. Too young to am my heart, to am my heart, to be my lover, to be my lover, to be my lover, to am my heart. First of all, I'm above 18, you're below 18. I don't wanna go to jail. Secondly, I'm a virgin boy. I have never met a girl I don't really wanna fail. Thirdly, I'm a busy boy. I got studio work me to mess up my clothes. Yeah. Fourthly, you have what to do. Cook for your parents, you don't have to know it. To be my lover, to be my lover, to my heart, to my heart, to be my lover, to be my lover, to be my lover, to my heart. If I want to take one I want win copa better bad. Better you meet on a carry ni potoromo. Jo apolo tamo era mano joko. Kigini kere ya chapo gintino. Chene nyupe na meg wakatin. So all you're an innocent girl, and I'm a criminal boy. Secondly, girl I'm bad. I'm not easy boy. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lil Sky Yaga, yo. Big up on yourself, your family. Leg just pop here. You know it's a shine management. Booyaka, do.
Yo, let's have another one that's right away from Lil Sky featuring Emo.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Shabby now
Yeah.
you know.
Yes, sir.
That was over.
Lil Sky, I got you.
Lil Sky,
And more for Christ.
Amushanyo baro kola mina yaite sobanyo angwetangwe kwene chunkwalo kedi oh chunkwalo kedi
Anayai barabwa kana university jeyecha Ichane nichoyatwa akubupia bedo pengate murisacha. Come be my love, me a conquer. You win coffee chunyatan. Every time that me need some loving, you keep on bouncing. Me and me like you.
Amushanyo baro kola mina
Yaite sobanyo angwetangwe kwene chungwalo kedi chungwalo kedi oh chungwalo kedi you're so bright like a diamond. You're so fine, more than diamond. Baby, bring it closer, let me hold ya. I'ma give ya, I'm all for you. Can't you feel me? Baby, I know ini aika koge. Amushanyo baro kola mina yaite sobanyo angwetangwe kwene chungwalo kedi oh chungwalo kedi
Yes, baby I'm your show. Nika kwenye toe. Nataka nikupeleke mavazi kwenye toe. Na kila mapenzi nikupe kwenye iliko. Dukani nikupeleke mavazi kibusi. Mimi niko boss, takupa wale toe. Nataka mimi na wewe nikupeleke seto. Watoto tuzae, kizazi tupoi. Na wengi watasema shabi bana pote.
koge amushanyo baro kola mina yaite sobanyo angwetangwe kwene chungwalo kedi oh chungwalo kedi oh chungwalo kedi alo kedi.
Chunkwalo Kedi.
Christ Entertainment.
Chunkwalo Kedi. Yo man no be wera meta ya man but Lil Sky tia featuring Emo Karachel Kirimanu.
For Christ Entertainment.
Yeah. Karachel mana menye Claxy J Manu team Manu tia ya money for Christ Entertainment. Yeah. That is all we had from them.